Intro. What if you get into a car accident in America? Do you know your legal rights? Most people panic and make mistakes that cost them thousands of dollars. Today we will tell you exactly what to do step by step. Stay till the end because this could save your life. Channel intro.
Welcome to U.S. Daily Law, where we explain real American laws in simple, easy language. Subscribe now and turn on the bell so you never miss an update.
Step 1. Stay calm and check safety.
Step 1. Stay calm and check for safety. The moment an accident happens, do not panic. First, check yourself. Are you injured? Then check your passengers. If anyone is seriously hurt, call 911 immediately. Do not move injured people unless there is danger of fire. Move your car to the side of the road if possible and turn on your hazard lights.
Step 2. Call 911.
Step 2. Call 911 immediately. In America, it is very important to call police after any accident, even a small one. Police will come and make an official accident report. This report is extremely important for insurance claims and legal cases. Without a police report, insurance companies may refuse to pay you. So always call 911, no matter how small the accident is.
Step 3. Collect evidence.
Step 3. Collect evidence at the scene. Use your phone to take photos and videos of everything. The damage to both cars, the road, traffic signs, weather conditions, and any injuries. Also get the other driver's name, phone number, license plate, insurance information, and driver's license number. If there are any witnesses, get their contact information too. This evidence is your most powerful tool later.
Step 4. Do not admit fault.
Step 4. Never admit fault at the scene. This is the biggest mistake most people make. Do not say sorry. Do not say it was my fault. Do not say I did not see you. Even if you think you caused the accident, stay silent about fault. Anything you say at the scene can be used against you in court or by insurance companies. Let the police and insurance companies determine who was at fault.
Step 5. Contact insurance.
Step 5. Contact your insurance company immediately. Call your insurance company as soon as possible after the accident. Tell them exactly what happened, honestly and clearly. Do not exaggerate and do not hide anything. Your insurance company will guide you through the claims process. Remember, in most states you must report an accident within 24 hours. Delaying can cause your claim to be denied.
Step 6. Contact a lawyer.
Step 6. Contact a personal injury lawyer. If you are injured in the accident, contact a personal injury lawyer immediately. Most accident lawyers in America work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. A good lawyer can help you get compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and car repair costs. Do not sign anything from the other. Driver's insurance without consulting your lawyer first.
Outro.
So remember these 6 steps if you ever get into a car accident in America. Stay calm, call 911. Collect evidence, never admit fault. Contact your insurance, and get a lawyer if needed. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to U.S. Daily Law. Our next video will be about your rights as a tenant in America. So turn on the bell and stay tuned. See you in the next one.